Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can enter and solve exponents on the online Desmos Graphing Calculator. To get started, from the Desmos.com main page here, all we have to do is hit the Open Graphing Calculator, and that takes us to this screen here, and we'll enter our equations on the left-hand side here. To make it easy for ourselves, first we want to hit the keyboard button down here where it says Show Keyboard. If we hit that, we get all of our function keys popping up down here. So if we want to say square a number, like say 5 squared, first all we have to do is enter the 5 and then hit the a squared button here. That gives us a 2 in the exponent and we get 25 as our result. What if we want to find an exponent that isn't a square? Well, to do that, we can hit the blue button here to open a new calculation. And then if we want to find, say, 5 cubed, again, first we hit the 5, and then the A to the B button here. That moves our cursor up into the exponent position, and this time we can hit the 3 for a 3 exponent, or a 5 cubed, and we see we get 125. All right, what if we want to find a negative exponent, like say 5 to the power of negative 2? Again, we start by hitting the 5 and the A to the B here, so that again our cursor is in the exponent position, and then we hit the subtraction or negative key here, so that we have a negative there in our exponent, and then a 2, because we want our exponent to be a negative 2, and we see we get the result of 0.04, which is correct. What if we want to use this as part of a longer equation, like say 5 to the power of negative 2 plus 1? Well, you see the cursor is still up in that exponent position. Let's start a new one here. Let's go 5 to the power of negative 2. And if we want to bring our cursor down, all we have to do is hit this arrow key. You see our cursors come down into the main line there, and we can enter plus 1, and we see we get the result, 1.04. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.